everybody สวัสดีค่ะ Today I take you to Little Rock in Jomtien ซอย 5 If you come from Beach Road the Little Rock on the left yes Sip Charlie is famous in Jomtien ซอย 5 Have Thai food ฝรั่ง food and good breakfast ฝรั่ง food price about 1 to 200 baht All menu Thai food 99 baht Wow You can buy reward card 299 baht This card gives you discount special menu on backboard. You pay 119 baht. Reward card is valid for 4 months. Menu drink have good selection. Have wine, have beer, draft beer, cocktail, spirit, whiskey, or have both. Good choice for dessert. In my opinion, Charlie's very good and very cheap. Recommend you try. ขอบคุณค่ะ